Hello everyone, my name is Ranjana Srivastava. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter number 9 of the standard 4 from the textbook Looking Around, that is Changing Families. So here in this video we will be seeing what is a family, family members, relatives. What are the changes that happens in a family? We will be discussing all those things in this chapter 9, families. What is family? Family is a group of people who live together in a society. So, what are family members? Family members include who are present inside the family. It comes like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister. Those are all family members. What are relatives? So, you are related to each other. How you are related to each other? So, in a family tree, you will have two same root. Either in this generation or in the previous generation, you will have the same root. For example, uncle and aunt and father and mother are there. So they will be having the same common root. Grandfather, grandmother. So this is how you will be related to each other in the family tree. They are called relatives. Types of families. Joint family or big family. You have two basic types as joint family or nuclear family. One is big family or small family. So, joint or big family. The families in which grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins live together are called joint family or big family. Nuclear or small family. The families in which father, mother and children live together are called as nuclear or small family. In ancient time and previous generation, there have been joint or big families. But the modern generation, we can see nuclear or small families. Here are some pictures of families you are going to see about the changes that present in Nimis, Saring and Nazli families. First, we'll see what changes in Nimi's family. A new arrival. There is a great excitement in Nimi's family. She has a new baby sister. See in the first picture. They are going to hospital, and second picture, the mom gave birth to a baby and after hospitalization they have been discharged and they have been received by their family's members. So look at this picture and write. Who were the members in Nimi's family before the arrival of her baby sister? See here, you can write the right side the picture. You can see the grandmother, father, Nimis and uncle. So there are 5 members before the arrival of her baby sister. Nimi, her mother, her father, her grandmother, her uncle were the members in Nimi's family before the arrival of her baby sister. Next, how many members are there in Nimi's family now? So including baby sister now, there are 6 members in Nimi's family. Next, let us talk. How do you think the lives of Nimi's family members have changed after the arrival of the new baby? For example, how will Nimi spend her day now? So Nimi's will now spend her day by playing with her baby sister. So she will also help her mother in baby's activity. So she will also help in taking care of the baby. She will help her mother in taking care of that baby. So what new work will have her mother do now? To look after the new baby will the new work for her mother now. There will be a change in the daily work of Nimi's father, grandmother and uncle with the arrival of the new baby. Can you write till now? Yes, Nimi's father, grandfather, grandmother and uncle will now give extra time to the new born baby. So they will have to share the mother work also. They will also help in taking care of the baby with the help with the mother. Next, has a small brother or sister been born in your home or any house in your neighborhood? Previously we saw what has changed happened in Nimi's family. Now you are going to write your own experience. How a newborn baby will give changes in the family. You are going to write, Yes, a small baby was born in my neighborhood. How does it feel to have a new baby at home? So, all will be excited and happy. So, answer is all are very happy. Next question, how have things changed at home with the new baby? So, everyone has started planning about the new members. Most of the work which the mother did have to be shared done by the other family members. So find out all about the youngest child of your home or in the home of a relative. The right. So you are going to write the details of a child in your home or in your relative's home. When was the baby born? It was born about 2 months back. Is the baby a boy or a girl? It is a girl baby. How are you related to him or her? I am her brother. Where was the baby born? The baby was born in the hospital. Who does the baby look like? The baby looks like her mother. Next, what is the color of his or her hair? The color of her hair is black. What is the color of his or her eyes? The color of her eyes are black. Does the baby have any teeth? No, she doesn't have any teeth. What do we feed the baby with? Generally, we feed the baby with milk. What is the baby's length? The baby's height is 2 feet. See it next page, children. How many hours a day does the baby sleep? The baby sleeps for more than 14 hours. What different sound does the baby make? The baby cries and also produces various other types of sound when smiling, feeling, hungry, etc. Who does the baby stay with the most of the time? The baby stays with the mother most of the time. Now next, stick a photograph of the baby or draw a picture in your notebook. So students, I have given one reference picture, so you can see this picture, draw, or you can draw your own picture, or you can stick a photograph in your notebook. Next. So this was all about Nimi's family. Now we are going to see about Saring family. So what is the changes they are undergoing? We are going to see the changes in this family. Saring father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. So here the changes in his family is transfer of job. When Saring father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? So all family members were happy as Saring father got promoted. But Saring father, mother and grandparents were slightly anxious as they had to make all the arrangement in a new town. So when you transfer your new town after change or schools, you have to book a new cylinder, change the cylinder. So you have to apply for the current. So you have to search for the new house. So there are many challenges in the changing to another places with their family. What will changes in Saring family after the father transfer? For example, who from Saring family will live with his father at the new place? Saring, his sister and his mother will live with his father at new place. Which school will Saring go to now? She will have to go a new school at new place. Saring will go to a new school now. Next, will he have new friends? Yes, in new school, Saring will have new friends. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? So you can write here your own experience, whether you to know anybody who moved to a new place, or you can write, yes, my uncle moved to Delhi because of his work. What do you feel about this change? So I would feel happy as we get a chance to visit a new place. Next, is there anyone in your class or school who has come from your school from another place? If you talk to him or her. Last month, one boy in my class came from another state. So choose a person was come to your school from another place. So you go on, talk and have a conversation with them. Where was she or he came from? So you can write here he came from Delhi. What was his or her old school like? So his old school was good and he had lot of friends. What does he or she find different here? So everything here is new to him. New people, new language, new food, new friends, etc. Next, does he or she likes the changes? Yes, he or she like the changes. Next, so two families change we saw. Next, we are going to see the changes of third family, that is Nazli families. It's a wedding. Change in this family is because of wedding. There is a great job of Nazli home today. Here eldest cousin brother is getting married. So we are going to discuss about the wedding change in this family. Do you think that there will be any change in Nazli family after his wedding? What will change? Yes, things will change in Nazli families after his wedding. A new member is added to the family and Nazli now has a new sister-in-law. Do you think there will be changes in the home from where the new bride and has come? What kind of changes? Yes, there will be changes in the home come from where the new has come. The family members of her family will miss her a lot. They will do a work that she had been doing in her family. Next, talk to your mother and aunt in the families. Ask them about where they lived before they got married. So before getting married, they lived with their parents before marriage. Who were the members in their families then? Their parents, grandparents, their uncle, aunt with their children, and all lived together in their families then. Next, has anybody in your family been married recently? Who? Yes, my cousin sister's marriage happened recently in our family. Next, talk to your classmates and write all about what happened during wedding in their families. So, what food there will be served in the wedding? What type of clothes will be worn during the marriage? So, you are going to share the experience during wedding. What kind of special food is cooked? Different type of vegetables, sweets, dishes, snacks are cooked in the wedding. What special clothes do you bride and bridegroom wear? The bride wear a beautiful lehenga and choli or sari, and bridegroom wear a classy sherwani and pagdi and dhoti. What kind of songs or dances are performed at weddings? So you can expect at wedding traditional folk, melody and modern songs and dances are performed. What did you see at the wedding that you attended? Draw some pictures in your notebook, then book at the picture drawn by your classmates. So you can draw some picture in your notebook where you attended wedding. Try to write down the difference in food, clothes, so the variety of the way the bride and bridegroom were always feed. So draw those pictures or write down all the happening in a wedding. So there are changes taking place in a families of Nimis, Sarin and Nazli because of different reasons. So Nimi's families we saw the change because of the newborn baby. Sarin's family the change was because of the job transfer. Nazli families the changes was because of the new wedding. Write down the reasons of these changes. In Nimi's family change happened due to the birth of her baby sister. In Saring family there was a changes due to the transfer of his father to a new city. In Nazli family there was a change due to the marriage of her elder cousin brother. There can be many reasons for changes in a families. Can you think at some or more reasons? Changes in a family can be due to these reasons: higher education, job transfer, business purposes. Students, look at page number 75. Up to which class do you want to study? I want to study up to Master of Engineering degree. Next, up to which class have your parents studied? My father has an MBA degree and my mother has an PG degree. Till which class did your grandmother get a chance to study? My grandmother got a chance to study till class 10. At what age did your grandmother get married? My grandmother got married at the age of 19. Have you heard of a law that talks about the ages before which girls and boys must not get married? Yes, I have heard. If and by the that law, boys before the age of 21 and girls before the age of 18 must not to get married. Student, let's see the page number 76. Are there any such children in your neighborhood who had a drop out of the school? Do they want to back to the school? Yes, there was a girl in my neighborhood who had dropped out of school due to health problems. She badly wants to get back to school. Next, what are they doing these days? She is taking treatment for her problem. Has anybody in your family got married recently? Who? Yes, my cousin's sister got married recently. What was the age of bride and the groom? The age of the bride was 24 and the age of the groom was 26. What kind of dresses they wore? Bride, lehenga and choli or sari. Groom, classic sherwani and pagri or dhoti. Understood everyone? Next, what kind of dishes were there? Name them. Students, you have to do with yourself. So here, with this we completed our chapter, that is changing families. Hope this video is understanding for you all. Okay, thank you very much.